Deepak Fertilizers and Petrochemicals Corporation Limited manufactures industrial chemicals, technical ammonium nitrate, and a plethora of bulk and specialty fertilizers for crop nutrition. Ammonia is the feedstock for the production of several chemicals required across the food supply chain. And in order to reduce imports and become more self-sufficient, the group set up a world-scale state-of-the-art ammonia plant adjacent to its existing manufacturing facilities.
Performance Chemicals Limited is a 100% subsidiary of Deepak Fertilizer and Petrochemical Corporation Limited. We are based in MIDC Taluja. PCL is an ammonia plant having a daily ammonia generation of 1500 TPD.
We have identified one plant in Brazil and shifted it into India to have our own captive ammonia production facility. It was having a 60 Hz equipment. Our utility power supply is 50 Hz. To meet this challenge, we start looking to have different solution for converting 60 Hz to 50 Hz. We zeroed in to have a solid state frequency converter system. Danfoss has given us so much reliability and so much confidence. They have understood our challenges. It has helped into providing power to our HVAC system in addition to the maintenance or utility outlets. We found that it is not only cost effective, it is time effective. They were able to meet our project timeline, as well as the footprint requirement is much lesser than what other solutions were going to have. We are having multiple plants in Srikakulam, in Panipat, in Dahej, Gopalpur. So all these places, we are having Danfoss as our reliable partner, and we are happy to continue our journey with Danfoss.
Grid converters that we have been offering have played a very pivotal role in transition of the energy from one type of grid to another type of grid. Whether it's a solar grid connected to the national grid or the national grid connected to another grid, grid converters as a technology plays a very important role in the future of shaping the grid decarbonization. We are happy and proud to be associated with our customers in shaping the future of grid decarbonization in India.